Okay, guys. Alright, this is just stuff that's in my pocket, but that doesn't matter. Okay. So, I was going to go over one thing. And one topic is, while I clean this up, figure out what needs to go, like stuff like this, stuff like that. So I'm just going to kind of be going along. We're going to be doing a couple things here in the video. I should go back to. Why I haven't been making videos is simply because I don't have very much going on currently. I don't have hardly anything that's going on. I'm being honest, I really don't have much. I really don't. There's not much really going on. I've been kind of making a lot of update videos. I don't really know what to title those videos. That's when you can tell I don't know what to talk about. Am I going to continue YouTube? Yes. Right now it's just really slow with stuff I have to do. Just like I've been kind of working on the HR-194. That should go to the box. I've been working on the HR-194 here, trying to figure some things out. And I think I pinpointed the issue, which is what I think is the matter is the valves need to be adjusted possibly, and I might go ahead and just buy the whole new head and put a whole new head in it, new valves, it already comes pre-assembled, and I just gotta bolt it in and stuff, and if I have to do adjustments, I do. If I do, if I don't, I don't. That would be kind of what the idea would be. But yeah. Anyways, this place is kind of messy in my opinion. Kind of have started to keep things nicer and organized so they're there when I need them. I keep these bungee cords in these in particular because that's what I use when I haul my push motors and stuff on. What is this here? But yeah. Anyways, just doing a couple of little things, like that paper towel needs to be thrown away and I need to get a new one. Yeah, there's just not much going on at all. I'm planning on, I'm going to be, this is definitely going to be happening is, we're going to get the Manus tiller going. I think if it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But the plan is to get these parts for the Manus tiller here. That's something that needs to be done. Like that needs to go. A lot of this stuff is just trash. That could go back into its home. This should too. This as well. Just went on a little bulky item run here, and there's a place and there's a truck. I was going to try to go by and see what it was. They loaded that place up good. They were hauling off whatever it was. I got a glance when I went by that. It's like, I didn't really see what it was. Oh, these go up in my garage. There. I would like for this to go home. Keep the safety glasses around. It's very important. You know what, guys? We had our one and only snow this year, which was last night. We had probably about a couple hundredths of an inch of snow. So, yeah, that's always fun. Cause guys, we're Texans. We don't get snow. We just don't. Use this little thing here and use it to carry all this stuff. So anyways, guys, that's about all that's really going on. I think next we're going to go with the videos work on the compressor here. I need to put this bolted back on. Put the bolts back in. Do that real quick. I'll see you guys in a minute. Something's going on. Alright, guys, everything's okay. Guys, so I soaked this air filter here in a number of different chemicals. Believe it or not, it's clean. It's just stained. It smells horrible. It just, it almost makes your lunch come up. All the smell of those chemicals, gasoline, they don't mix. Oh God, that is awful. Whew. I'm letting it sit. I think I'm gonna let it kind of air dry somewhere. I can dry out, leave it in the sun, probably. Okay, let's see here. Guys, y'all are gonna be lucky if y'all get to see anything because of me in the way, but. We're gonna get it, guys. it done. And guys, everything was okay. I don't know if I said that with what I saw. Relax, because we're having neighbors having a house remodel. I know this person was walking in the circle, but I realized, oh, that's what it is. That's better. Guys, one question I'm gonna ask. I might go on Job Smart here and ask, but if y'all are still watching, I'm very curious as to why this air compressor won't build pressure. But if you guys have any ideas, it's done this once before, but then it got whatever did it. So some different noise happened that sounded normal again, and it started working again. And I'm just not really quite sure as to what is wrong with it. Anyways, right now what I'm gonna do is flip this back on. And I think it's got a good amount of oil, but it should be fuller. It should be more full, so that might be part of our problem. So I think this thing simply needs a new air filter. Guys, if the things keep racking up, but see this air filter, guys, it's a little tired, I'd say. You know, you just gotta kind of put it back together, and then it works a little longer. The air filter's okay, but what we need to do is definitely get some oil in this thing, because, yeah, it really probably just is low on oil, and it's just not getting enough power now. The oil pressure is low, so that's what we need to do is we need to consider, no, we need to do, we need to definitely do that, so. So, guys, before I even order a bunch of these things, I'm just still deciding what all I need to order. So I'm gonna back over here. Just was getting everything ready because this weekend I'm gonna be doing another project. We're gonna be finishing up the shed doors here, so. Good to get those done, and that whole project will be done, and we'll have a few yards to mow. I think we may be running 3 or 4 this weekend, probably about 3 or less. So yeah, this is also trash. So I'm gonna get a bunch of stuff in there. Jeez, I just don't know what this goes to. It's got 2 little air holes there, so. Anyways, guys, we will see you guys a little bit later. We might do another video tonight. Probably not that I need to, but probably won't get to it. So I'm going to continue to get some other things done, and we will see you guys tomorrow, most likely. Tomorrow, and we will be doing something. I know we'll be doing something, so. Anyways, there's a bunch of things to do. We got leaves to clean up and stuff that the snow brought down, and wind from the storm, the cold front, and, you know, stuff like that. So, anyways, guys, we'll see you guys later. Bye.